All right, guys, so today we worked on prep turn into a left turn for the follow. Kept going with a delayed turn. We switched hands. We did a shadow copa with the change of direction, with the turn, not with the separation. A uppercut, rock step, followed by a turn for the follow, delayed turn for us, turn by the follow, hairbrush, then cuddle, lean, and rotate, dip. Yes?
Yep.
Can we do that?
Sure. I will follow you, sir.
Okay. So I'm gonna start here. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Prep turn. 7, 8. 1. Follows. You gotta understand that when I raise the hand, 1, and I'm also blocking with this hand, it's not a basic. Some of the follows, when I do that, just keep doing basic. This is what happens. So you need to feel the stop. 1, 2, 3, tap. I wait for the follow to first tap before I even turn her. Okay, she's tapping, good. Keep rotating follows. And 1. Bye, Sima. Switch hands. At this point, we do a copa shadow. 5, 6. I feel the tension from the follow with this arm, so I can redirect. 7, 8. If I don't feel no tension, then it's hard for me to lead that. Okay, I'll show it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, Jessa? Then I can proceed to do my rock step. 1, uppercut. 3, 4, turn my follow. 5, 6, delay turn for the lead. 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, hairbrush, basic, open. 5, 7, 8, secure the hip. When I tap, I go down. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, basic. 2, 3. All right, now with that, with counts.
That was a dip.
I know.
I said, okay.
I'm testing your trust towards me.
I know.
I'm really testing you. So I go basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
2,
3.
tap.
Good.
Left. Delay.
1,
3,
3.
5, 7, 1, 3, 5,
7, 8, and 1,
2,
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1,
2,
3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1.